Hello guys, welcome back with our new video. In this video, I'll help you how to fix a app store not downloading apps. So guys, if you want to download any kind of app in app store and app store is not downloading apps, then I'll help you how to fix it. So guys, let's start without wasting any time. So guys, first of all, you need to open your app store and click on your main profile on app store. So guys, after doing this, you need to scroll it down or scroll it up here is the option of personalized recommendation. So guys, you need to click here and click on clear app usage data. So guys, after doing this, you need to go back and scroll it down. And guys, after this, here is the option of sign out. So guys, you need to sign out your Apple ID from app store, and guys, sign in again in your app store. And guys, after doing this method, your problem will be fixed. So guys, if still not fixed your problem, then you need to open your settings. And guys, after this, you need to open your Apple ID in your iPhone or iPad. And guys, after this, you need to scroll it down and sign out your Apple ID from iPhone. And guys, after signing out, you need to sign in again in your iPhone. So guys, after doing method, go and check that your problem is fixed or not. So guys, if still not fixed your problem, then you need to open your settings. And guys, after this, you need to scroll it down, click on screen time, scroll down and click on content and privacy restrictions. And guys, if it is on, then you need to off it, and after doing off, you need to go back. And guys, after this, here is the option of general. You need to click here, scroll it down. And guys, here is the option of VPN and device management, and make sure that any kind of VPN is not connected with your phone. So guys, after doing this, you need to go back, scroll down, click on transfer and reset iPhone, click on reset and click on reset all settings. And guys, after doing reset all the settings, your problem will be fixed and you will be able to download any kind of app in App Store. So guys, hope you like this video. If you like this video, please do subscribe, comment and share. Thank you.